We're back for part 2 of this Raptor 700 Stage 3 carbon pack that we've done here at Madman Mechanics in Dubai. In this week's video, you're going to see us take this quad bike to go get dynoed, and then after that, we're going to change it from road tyres to off-road tyres and take it to go to get tested out in the desert here in Dubai. In last week's video, we fully rebuilt this quad, and if you didn't watch that video, click the links right here. If you still didn't watch the video, then I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of exactly what we've done to this build in last week's video to give you an update of where we're at right now. Here we have the quad bike. As you can see, it is a full stealth out black carbon edition Madman Mechanics build. Up front, we've got our +2 A-arms, we've got our custom nudge grille, we've got a fully stealthed out black on every single nut and bolt installed with our grab bar, our Nerf bars, and also our 10-inch beadlock and tire package. We've got our upgraded Pro Taper handlebars and a custom Madman Mechanics seat cover. The most important part is inside of the engine, where we've done a stage 3 cam, a high compression piston, and we've also done a full exhaust system with our custom air intake. We've also installed a power commander, which is what we're going to be able to tune to take this quad bike from 40 horsepower all the way up to 85 horsepower. So keep on watching this video and see what we're about to do next on the dyno. Here we have it, the moment that you've all been waiting for. Quad is finally loaded onto the dyno, and now we're going to set it with a base map and we're going to work our way up from there. Let's see what we do. There we have it. Quad's been fully dynoed, everything's been set up perfectly. Now ready to go back out into the desert, get some off-road tires onto this thing and see how it rips up the desert. Now this Raptor 700 Stage 3 has been dynoed and tuned to perfection, it's time to take it from our on-road tires to our off-road tires, which you've got right here. Here's a set of our 10-inch tires, which are going to get installed onto this quad bike, and once they're installed, we're taking this thing out into the desert. Keep on watching. We've now removed the tyres that we installed initially to be able to put this quad bike onto the dyno, and now it's on off-road tyres. It's finally ready for the time that you've all been waiting for, which is to get this thing out into the desert. Keep watching. The moment we've all been waiting for. Look at this thing. Stunning. Completely stealthed out, front to back. All the extras, no expense spared on this build. Upgraded LED lights, carbon pack installed. In the sun, this thing is shining. Gonna get it out into the desert now, rip up the desert, see how it's going. I'm gonna show you exactly how this thing performs. +2 arms, +2 axle, 10-inch bead locks. This thing is absolutely gonna rip up the dunes here out in Dubai. Look at the details. Getting ready for this. Let's go. Right, when you let off that fuel and that high compression piston starts getting compression, bro, it throws you like this. Yeah. You feel the difference. Yeah, you have to pull it straight in. The first time I did it on the other side, I just let go and I was coming up to the drop and I went like that. Oh, that bit got me. This thing is absolutely incredible. The amount of power that we've actually managed to produce out of this engine that we got right here is unbelievable. The handling, the power, everything put together is absolutely incredible. I'm out of breath because I'm just speechless for words right now. It's so much fun being out in the desert, and you guys that are watching this video right now might even get the opportunity to be out here in the desert of Dubai on one of our Madman Mechanics builds. So keep watching here on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram channel, where we might be launching very, very soon to have our quad bikes able to do desert tours here in Dubai. So carry on watching this video. We're gonna rip up the desert a bit more and keep on watching until the end. It's good. Let's keep going. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. It's got too much power. It's so much fun out here in the desert, and the performance of it is absolutely unbelievable. If you get the chance to ride it, you'll understand exactly what I'm saying. I'm out of breath, it's too much power. It's so much fun out here. It's a proper workout, but it's worth every single piece of energy going into this. This whole build that we've done here at Madman Mechanics, it's all paid off for this right here. Next to me, I've got our mechanic here, Jordan, who's been the one that's actually been working on this quad along with our other mechanics. So I'm giving the key to Jordan so that he can go and take this thing for a test ride. He's put his hands on deck to make sure that everything here is spotless and working perfectly. So it's finally time for him to go and take it for a test drive. Here you go.
But this is a bit different. It's like you're like, yeah, I'm gonna give it. You give it and you're like, nope, nope.
Too much power, is it?
Definitely need practice though.
You need some more practice on it, definitely. It's not easy to ride out here. If you're used to riding on bikes, it's completely different. It looks absolutely clean though. Absolutely impeccable.
I don't know.
She's spotless.
I don't think I want to give it more though. Come on, just like open the legs.
And there we have it, an absolute journey. From stripping this thing down completely to every single nut and bolt, our whole engine has been completely stripped and rebuilt with stage 3 parts. We've done everything possible to this quad to be able to make it come here today. We've fully rebuilt it, we've sent it off to Dyno, it's been tuned, and now we're out here in the desert and finally done our testing. So the good news is about this video is that this quad is now up for sale. So if you want this quad to be yours, make sure to contact us right now. This quad is for sale, so be quick because now it is officially up online. A few people have already been inquiring about it, but we actually haven't put it up online yet until this moment now. So this quad bike is for sale and it could be yours. We do worldwide shipping around the whole of the world, so if you want a quad bike like this one as well, maybe you want an R1, maybe you want a BMW S1000, we can make it all happen worldwide. So thank you for watching this video. We're already working on the next build that's going to happen here in Dubai.